guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia. Hope you guys are having a blessed week so far. I'm a little under the weather, so please pray for us, y'all, because we can definitely use the prayers. But anyways, y'all, this unit does come from Afsisterwigs, so if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check down below in the description area where everything's going to be linked. But this is Afsisterwigs brand new invisible strap 360 full lace wig. So you guys can see this is a 360 and it does feature those invisible drawstrings that you just pull on, making it so you don't have to adhere the back of your unit. It's going to pretty much adhere to your head without any adhesives, which I love. And this is also a full lace wig, so you can part it anywhere. But as far as styling my unit, I always like to prep my 360 lace wigs because I really don't like to do it while the unit is on my head. So I just take a little bit of water and spray it along the edges, as well as use a little bit of my gel just to make everything nice and sleek. And then I take my hairbrush just to kind of brush it back to make it, you know, look natural. And then I'm also going to do the same thing to the back of the unit, just applying a little bit of water, my gel, and then I'm just going to brush the hair. And then I'm just going to put this unit in a high ponytail just so that we can further style those edges. You guys can see just how natural it is. I do prefer the back of my unit to look a lot less dense, but you can tweeze it if you choose. But I am also going to take a little bit of those hairs out to make it look a little more natural. I feel like I keep saying the same thing, so please forgive me. I'm just gonna go ahead and take those edges out, as well as take my edge band just to pretty much mold the front and the very back of the unit. Again, when you do that, you don't have to do any of that stuff later, okay? But right here I'm just showing you guys that it is a full lace wig. I was gonna wear this unit in pigtails, but I chose not to, so I just decided to kind of do like a high ponytail with some curtain bangs. I'm gonna style the unit with some curls later, but you guys can see how it looks. It was very easy to do, super cute style. This unit is a ready to wear unit, so it requires minimal work. I just went and flat ironed a little bit and that was it. This is the way that 360 area looks. You guys can see just how cute it looks, especially with that ponytail. But this is how the unit looks with that lace cut off. I just cut it off with an eyebrow razor, and again, those are the invisible straps. I will say to tighten your straps before you put your unit on, because I don't know why I never do that. It makes it so much easier, okay? So this is the way the unit looks on. That lace is just a teeny tiny bit light. I'm going to show you guys what I do to fix it. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this unit down. I do use my Got2b blast freeze spray and apply a bit of it along my forehead, and then I blow dry it down. I like to do this a couple of times just so that it's really sticky, and then I just place the unit on top of that and it should stick down just like that. But of course, apply a bit more of that spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my elastic band and blow dry that down again. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna go and kind of style this unit. First things first, you want to make sure your hair is free of any tangles, so I am just going through the hair and detangling it. And then I want to make sure my unit lays really nice and flat, so I apply my wax stick as well as use my hot comb and just go through that top layer as well as the edges. And now I'm chopping, okay? This part right here is not a tutorial, okay? I just took my hair cutting shears and just took it off, okay? And this is what we're working with. Now I'm just gonna take my 1-inch curling wand and just put some soft curls around my face just to give like a nice feathery effect. I'm gonna also do the entire wig, but right now I'm just doing the front. And once I'm done with that, we're gonna see what that lace looks like. Okay, so like I mentioned before, the lace did come up a little light on me. So what I do is take my lace tinted spray and spray it onto a makeup brush, and I'm just applying it on top of that lace. I like to also set it with my foundation powder, and this is how it looks. This is the invisible strap. It's very simple. You just pull on the lever and it tightens up the back so that the entire back of the unit sits flush to your skin. The one thing that I would recommend is that you tighten it before you put the unit on, because the front that I adhered down popped up. So, but right now I'm just going to curl the rest of the hair, and once that's done, I will be back.
Someone I can get used to. I feel like I could get used to you, but you know how it goes. One leave and the next one come on, keep no host. Give them the hugs and I let them go. Show me what you got on it. I'ma make it work more for this, cause you just might not waste my time.
Okay y'all, so this is what we're working with. I'm gonna be honest, the lace is still a bit too light for me. I would say to go a bit darker, maybe with some foundation. But y'all, look at the way this unit is looking. I'm absolutely loving the hairline. I'm loving the texture. If I didn't mention this before, I do believe this is a 20-inch and the texture is a kinky straight. I am 5'8" and this is where it falls on me. And the density on this one is, I believe, 180%. I will definitely have everything linked in the description area. But y'all, this is the way that 360 looks, and I love the way the cap looks, because again, this is a full lace and you can part this anywhere. Again y'all, this unit comes from Afsisterwigs. This is their invisible strap 360 full lace wig. Let me know what you guys think of this one, and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.
It's my time.